guys, nagmumulaklak na ang aking santan. And my bougainvillea and my rose. Grabe ang sipag. And then this one, hiningi ko lang sa bagbagin. Super pretty na. Mayroon na akong flowering plants. Mayroon na akong pang-ulam plants. Meron pa akong flowering plants. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, ching, ching. Yay. And this one.